Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car,
yeah.
Gabriel Auto
Let's get the new Chevy joint.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
All right, got it here. It's got the snap ring right there. See, it's falling. It's moving from one side to another. So like I always do on the Chevy joints, I put grease right there. I'm gonna put some grease right here in the groove so I can hold the locking ring in the center. See, just in case this thing doesn't want to go in there. So right there we got it centered. See, got it all around, centered all around. Now let's slide it. Slide it in place. First, this tip, it needs to engage on the spline inside the differential or the transmission. Well, the differential, not the transmission, but okay. Right there, it engaged. Now, right there, a little bit. Doesn't need too much on this one. Now we got it locked in. Now let's put the knuckle back on. Now let's put it in there. Put the nut to hold it. Right there, let's tighten the nut. This one, it's a lock nut. It doesn't need the cotter pin. Okay, right there. Right here, this. Let's put this bolt right here. I need to lift the jack. Need to lift the lower control arm.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready.
I'm gonna leave it like that.
Get your preventative maintenance.
I'm gonna lift the lower control arm right there.
Brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Okay. We got one. We need to put the other one in. Let's put the other one on top. Right there. Okay. There's no movement right here, like adjustment for alignment, so it's in place on the same place. So I'm gonna get these two bolts tight and alright. Let's put the locking ring. Okay. Let's slide it in. Right there. Now I'm gonna put the cover right here. Let me put some silicone around here. Just a small amount. All right. Right there. Let's spread it. Spread the lobe. All right, now put it on the mark. Right there.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for
With
auto
small pressure.
conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes,
Number 3. 1,
fan belts,
2, 3.
It's on the corner. Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it. Diagnostic. 413 Highway 100. That's Gabriel Auto Technician. 413 Highway 100.
Okay, let's put the rotor. It's clean already. I cleaned the stuff they put to so the rotor doesn't get rusty while they got it in storage. Well, let's put the bracket first, and then let's put the caliper, and then we can put this outer tie rod. All right. Okay, I got the bolts clean, but I need to clean in here. Okay, let's clean the hole. Let's put the bracket on. Almost finished, because we need to put the rotor in. That's why it takes longer to put that. Well, the CV joint is done already. I just need to put the pads and rotors.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems,
Let's put the
band
shims.
ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto fix it or replace it.
This is the lock,
Diagnostics. Gabriel Auto
the lock
Technician,
clip.
413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto
See?
Technician, 413 Highway
You
100.
can push it in. And on the other side. All right. Okay, let's install the pads. This one without the clip, without the indicator, goes on the outside. Let's push this one down. Right there. This one with the indicator goes on the inside part. Now let's lift the clip and slide it in. Now we got it. Now let's put the caliper. See, I want to make it look easy, but there's no way we can do it easy. Okay, let's put the other bolt on the bottom. All right, let's put the needs to go inside the groove. But it got rust. Right there. Let's push the clip.
Gabriel Auto
Install the
Technician of Laguna
brackets.
Heights reminds you to be ready
tie rod
If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto
nut.
fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Alright. Now it's tight. Nice and tight. Okay, let's connect the sensor over there and then put the tire back on, and that's it. We got the new CV joints in. And the rotors and the brake pads. Let's check the fluid, which is real low. Let's feel the reservoir right there.
Gabriel Auto Technician.
All right, now let's pump.
Ready for hot days of summer. Get your
Pedal.
preventative maintenance done and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs from
Brake
auto,
pedal.
air conditioning, heating, tune-ups,
Then it goes
transmission,
up.
cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel
It's
Auto will
up.
fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in